So guys, suppose we installed a new hard drive or SSD and it's not showing because our new hard drive or SSD is not partitioned. So to partition new SSD, go to the search bar, search for partition, create and format hard disk partitions. Let's select the GPT, then press on OK. Let's extend it, left click, drag. And here we have our new hard drive or SSD. As you can see, it's saying unallocated with a black bar and others with blue bar. Now right click on it, create simple volume, then press on next. Suppose we want to have a single drive, for that put the maximum value, then press on next, then assign the drive letter J, press on next. Now the format, as you can see, all of them is NTFS. Now our drive name, let's name it main V, then check perform a quick format, press on next, finish. As you can see, we have our drive and also the black bar turned into blue bar. Let's minimize it. See, we have our new drive here. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.